Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I got this perfect fluffy brow. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video from me. Please make sure you also give this video a like and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get started. So I'm just gonna start by brushing out my eyebrows with my spoolie. This is the Shop Miss A E119 brush. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows out. Next, I'm gonna take my gel. This is the Got To Be gel, the black one. And I'm gonna take a different spoolie. This one is a random one that I got when I got a pair of eyelashes. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the gel onto the spoolie like this, and I'm just going to brush it through my eyebrows and brush upwards. Once they've dried for about a minute, I'm just going to take my middle finger and press them onto my face so that we know that they will stay up. We're going to clean up the excess gel around the eyebrows. I like to use my Garnier Micellar water, and I'm going to use some cotton rounds today. It's really better to use cotton swabs, but girl, I don't have any more cotton swabs, so I'm just going to put some onto my cotton pad, and then I'm just going to fold it into a little triangle shape like this and clean around my brows. Now we're ready to start. I'm going to be using the Mented Highbrow Precision Pencil, and I'm using the shade Take a Brow. I love this eyebrow pencil. I think it is amazing. It's so pigmented, it's so creamy, it's not hard to use at all, and it's really thin as well. Here's what the tip looks like. I really like a thin brow pencil. And I'm just going to first line the bottom of my brow. And I'm keeping a really light hand towards the front of the brow. We don't want that to be too dark or too harsh. Next, I'm just going to make a tail. I'm going to fill in the rest of my brow using light upward strokes. As you get towards the front, you want to use a really light hand so it has a nice fade. We don't want bricks, we don't want blocks, we want nice faded brows. Now it is time to conceal the brow. I'm just going to use a concealer that is close to my skin tone. Today I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And the brush that I'm going to be using is just this thin, rounded brush. I'm not sure where this one is actually from, but this is the brush that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to conceal the bottom part and then the tail I'm not going to conceal all the way out to the front. And then using the Zoeva Concealer Perfector brush, it looks like this. I'm just going to blend that concealer out. So that is all I do for my brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, it's really simple and easy and doesn't take long at all. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video from me. Also follow me on all my social medias. The handle will be on the screen and all of the links will be in the description box. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!